It is 570, week number 1. Welcome. I'm Bill Selleck, your instructor. Hopefully, you were clicking on home inside of Canvas and you already went through all of kind of the shell of the course. You went through Start Here, Student Support Services, learned about APA resources, library and research resources, all that stuff. If not, go back to Start Here because you should start there. I'm here to talk about week 1. Very straightforward. It's going to be a much shorter video than that Meet Your Instructor course overview video. It's really just introducing you to the course, models and methods of reflective practice. We have a couple learning outcomes this week. There's a Christian message. You have this video that you're watching. And then we have really one reading, and then you're going to do a video reflection. Every week, you are going to post to Microsoft Flip, and the topic is going to be called week, whatever week it is in, reading reflection. So this week, we're in week 1, so it's called week 1, reading reflection. Straightforward enough? Great. Be sure you're keeping up with all of those. That's an easy one to forget since you're clicking off each time. You don't want to go with just your to-do list on the home inside of Canvas. You're going to click off and actually record a video, about a 1-minute video, each week on Flip. So if you don't know much about Flip or Flipgrid, there's a video there on the week 1 page that'll walk you through it. And the big thing you need to be doing in this week is taking a look at defining reflection. It's looking at John Dewey. It's about a 20-page article, and yeah, it's going to start kind of the heavy Dewey reading again. It's one of those where you look at it, and when you're in it, you're just like, oof, this is really dense. Even people talking about Dewey tend to be really dense, but particularly when we look at reflective practice, you're going to learn a lot from Dewey and really like what he has to share. The last thing you're going to be doing is looking at Ramsey's TEDx talk, 3 rules for sparking learning, and you're going to be sharing that. We're going to really focus on that third rule. Make sure you're looking at the discussion board rubric for what you need to be doing each week. Your initial post is due Thursday, 2 replies by Sunday. Make sure you're always having an APA reference. I said that strangely. Make sure you always have a reference, at least one scholarly reference, and there needs to be an APA citation properly formatted. So as you look at how you get your points each week in the discussion board, it's your initial post. It's a scholarly reference that's APA formatted, and then 2 replies. So each week you're going to have those 4 bits in your discussion board. So this week you have your discussion board, you have that reading about Dewey, and then your 1-minute video reflection on Dewey using Flip. So that's what you've got this week. If you have any questions, reach out, and happy week 1, everybody.